Good morning, children. Today we are discussing important concept in arithmetic progression, that is what we call arithmetic series. Then what is arithmetic series? We know arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence where there is a common difference between any two consecutive terms. Now let us take the example 2, 5, 8, 11, etc. This is an example of arithmetic progression. If I am trying to find the sum of these terms, that is 2 plus 5 plus etc. till n terms, now this is called as arithmetic series. So arithmetic series is a sum of terms of arithmetic progression. Then how to find the sum of the series or sum of the arithmetic series? There we need a formula. So to find the sum of arithmetic series, we are using a formula, that is Sn. What we call Sn represents sum. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the required formula to find out the sum of terms of arithmetic progression. Let us extend our formula to this example. Now what we have? We know already that here a equal to 2, d equal to 3 because 5 minus 2 is 3. Then how many terms we are supposed to find? Let us imagine I am trying to find out the sum of some 10 terms. Then n become 10. So this much if I know, I can find the sum of 10 terms of this AP. That is, now you can apply that, or you can put the values in this formula. Sn became now S10. Finding the sum of 10 terms. It is equal to, in the place of n, we will put 10. 10 by 2 into 2 into a is 2, plus n minus 1, n is 10. So n minus 1 has become 9 into d is the common difference, that is 3. So what I have got now? S10 equal to 10 by 2 is 5 into 4 plus 9 3 the 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. That is, I have got 5 into 31, or it is 155. What is 155? 155 is the sum of first 10 terms of the given AP 2, 5, 8, 11, etc. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What I have got? This is said to be general formula to find the sum of arithmetic series. So this is the general formula. By using this general formula, you can find easily anywhere the sum of an arithmetic series. You are supposed to know value of n, value of a, and common difference. Alternatively, by knowing some value of n and some other terms, you can find out common difference also. Anyhow, you know that, and we will be studying that while you are solving problems one by one. Now let us take one more example. I am trying to find out the sum of 6, 10, 16, etc. 6, 10, 14, etc. up to 20 terms. I am trying to find the sum, in the sense now it has become arithmetic series. 6, 10, 14, etc. is AP. Sum of 6, 10, 14, etc. is the arithmetic series. First find the given things. A equal to 6, d equal to 10 minus 6 has become 4, and I am finding the sum of 20 terms. Then write the general formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values of n, a and d here. Sn equal to n by 2 became 20 by 2 into 2a has become 2 into 6, 12 plus n minus 1 is 90 into d value is 4. If there is a negative value, use a bracket so that you will not get confused. Yes, 10 equal to just n equal to 10 20 by 2 is 10. 10 into 2 6 is 12 plus 19 4 by 76. So it is equal to 10 plus 88. How about so 10 into 88, not plus. 12 plus 76 became 88. 10 into 88, you have got 880. So 880 is the sum of first 20 terms of this given sequence. So in that way, you can find the sum of any arithmetic series by using this formula. Now the question is, I have an example here. Example 3. I am trying to find the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. in 50 terms. First question is it in AP? Definitely, it is in AP. Then, what is the first term? It is A equal to 1. Common difference also 1. I am trying to find the sum of 50 terms. I can very well apply the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d and try to find the sum of first 50 natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to 50 is first 50 natural numbers. I have got now Sn equal to n by 2 means 50 by 2 into 2a is 2 only, 2 into a is 1 plus n minus 1 is 49 into d is again 1. What I have got now is it is 25 into 49 on the 49 plus 2 51. So 51 into 25. So what is the answer? So 25 into 50 you do first. 1250. So let's become 1 7. I have got the answer. But is it the only way for doing? No. Whenever you are doing a sum of natural numbers, you can go for more easier, more better formula. More better formula from where it will come? It has not come from somewhere. The same formula, let us imagine now. I am trying to find the sum of natural numbers. So now for natural number series, I know it will start with 1. A equal to 1 always. Common difference will be 1 always. D equal to 1 always. Same formula you take Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a becomes every time a will be 1 only for natural number series. So 2a become 2 plus n minus 1 into d again became 1 only always, because 1 plus 2 plus 3 when you do up to 50 terms or 100 terms, whatever it may be, then value will not change. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into, simplifying this, 2 plus 1 into n, 1n minus 1 into 1 became 1. So what is the answer now? It is equal to n by 2 into 2 minus 1 became 1. So it is n plus 1 or 1 plus n. See what we have got now? Sn equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. That became, I am writing it at the top. It is not visible to you. I am writing here. What I have got now is n by 2 into n plus 1. So this has become the formula to find out the sum of natural numbers. So finding the sum of natural numbers, I did not go for a lengthy formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I can directly put Sn equal to n by 2 into n plus 1 or n into n plus 1 by 2. Then I can find the sum of the natural numbers. Let us try whether what you have got the formula, is it right or wrong? Here only the question is there. I am trying to find the sum of 50 terms. So let me use the same thing now. Sn equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. So n is 50 terms, 50 by 2 into 50 plus 1 is 51. Simplify. You have got 1, 2, 7, 5. What does mean? I am getting the same answer. That means whenever finding the sum of natural numbers, I can easily find sum of natural numbers by using this technique. So became more easy. So this is the general formula to find the sum of natural number series. Remember, for natural numbers also we can use this formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As I was telling already for previous classes, whatever the formula I have here, this is a general formula. It is like a general doctor who can treat for all the ailments. You have fever, you have cold, you have headache, for everything he will treat you. That means this general formula is applicable for any arithmetic series. Then what about him? He is a specialist, like maybe a dentist. So he can treat your tooth pain only. He can't be used for every formula, every problems. So whenever natural number series is there, you can use this. Then again you can make it more simple. We will study that later. You can make it more simple for odd number series and even number series. Whenever first term and last terms are known, then you will have one more formula. So like that, they all are the specialists. But this formula will help you to find out the sum of any natural number series. So for today's class, you have two homeworks only. First thing is, you try to find out the sum of a series I am giving. Find the sum 5 plus 10 plus 50 up to 25 terms. Again, second one, find the sum of first 20 natural numbers. Then we shall go to exercise and work examples step by step in each class.